everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Ramneet. In this Children's Day, I thought of making something really cute and special for kids. Chocolate buns. They are cute, they are tasty, and I'm sure you guys gonna love it. Let's see how I made them. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar in 3 tablespoons of lukewarm milk and then mixed it well. To this I have added 4 grams of yeast and mixed it. Let it ferment for 10 minutes. In another bowl I have added 200 grams of all-purpose flour, to which I have added 30 grams of granulated sugar, mixed it well. Now to which I have added the activated yeast. Now mix it well and gradually add lukewarm milk to form a dough. To the dough I am adding 20 grams of butter. Mix it well and now knead it for 8 to 10 minutes so that the dough is not sticking to the surface. When we put one finger pressure on the dough, it will bounce back. This indicates that our dough is ready. Now apply a little bit of oil to a separate bowl and the dough and cover it with cling foil and let it rest for 2 hours. Our dough is ready. Now we'll make the chocolate dough. For the chocolate dough, the dry ingredients quantity will be same. Only the wet ingredients will change. For wet ingredients, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder mixed with 5 teaspoons of water. I'll nicely mix it and add to my dry ingredients. In a similar way, cover this with cling foil and let it rest for 2 hours or until it doubles in size.
2 hours later.
Now take each dough at a time. Roll it into a log and cut 8 equal pieces out of it. Now roll them into a ball and cover them with a clean cloth. Similar way, make 8 equal balls of the chocolate dough. Cover them with a clean cloth. Now take each ball, remove a small portion of the dough and roll them into 2 equal balls. Repeat the process for the remaining balls. Now take a baking tin, alternatively place white dough and chocolate dough in the pan. Now take the smaller balls and place above the dough to form the ears. Now let them rest for half an hour.
Few moments later.
I'm preheating the oven at 180 degrees centigrade and will bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm lightly brushing the dough with milk. Our buns are ready, let them rest now. Now we'll decorate our buns. For decorating my buns, I'm using melted white chocolate and dark chocolate in piping bag. White chocolate, I'm using it to form the mouth and dark chocolate to form the eyes and nose.
Serve these delicious buns with chilled ice cream. I'm sure your kids going to love it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Let's meet in my next video. Thank you.